It's Ozzy's turn now. Dilly. It's Ozzy's turn.
It is ice cream snack time at the Shepherd house, where Mom and Dad have their ice cream, and Dilly and Ozzy get their ice cream. Look at that tongue going.
Dilly. This is Dilly's favorite. So much
Vanilla.
So much so that he tries to steal Ozzy's. Not that time he did, though. What are you doing? Dilly. You gotta look. Okay. I'll come over here so that you can get the front views. Dilly. Watch Dilly's tongue. Get the back.
A little flippy, flappy tongue. It just flips out of his mouth. It's so funny.
Watch.
The tongue just keeps coming out.
Come on. Dilly, sit.
Ozzy's tongue's like half the size of Dilly's.
Dilly, sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit.
Good boy.
Good boy, Dilly.
Ozzy sits so patiently.
I know. Dilly don't. You stay sitting.
Look at all the drool on the bottom of... Good boys. Yeah. Now that's how good Yorkies eat ice cream.
Good boys. Oh, Dilly being a good boy this time. Good boy.
Hold it up so he has to stand on his hind legs to eat it.
I'm gonna give Ozzy his bite first. We gotta be fair, don't we? We're wiping the mouths.
Okay. Do it up high.
There you go. Dilly. Dad, that's hard.
I bet he could do it on the solid floor.
Yeah.